All right, guys, you asked for it. She's here. Today I'm recording with my sister. This is Katie. Katie, say hi.
Hi.
Katie is a math whiz, so she's gonna be my helper because honestly, this is getting kind of hard because today we're focusing on dividing by 2, which is the hardest of all the numbers. 2 is like so confusing. Anyway, so example 1, Javier and Alexis share an apple equally. Okay, how many people are sharing the apple, Katie?
4. 2.
Told you she's a whiz. Katie, how many people?
2.
If there are 8 slices, Katie, if there's 8 slices and 2 people, how many will each of them get?
4.
Okay, so I know, I was kidding. It's not hard. It's not hard because dividing by 2 is just cutting the number in half. And we already know our doubles. So we know 2 and 2 is 4. We know 4 and 4 is 8. We know 3 and 3 is 6. We know 5 and 5 is
10.
She knows it. Okay, so basically count how many people need to share and see how many you have all together and just divide it. So all the problems today are dividing by 2. And basically, like I said, when you divide by 2, just cut the number in half. The important thing that I'm just going to show you right here is this is another way that we can write a division problem. 8 inside this little house thing. Okay. We'll do these definitely when you're in 4th grade. And then this is the number. This is the divisor. So we have the dividend right here, 8. This is the divisor. And on top in this box, you would write the quotient, which we've talked about. So each person all together will get how many apple slices?
4.
4 apple slices. So let's check our work. And 4 is correct. Excellent job, Katie. Okay, so let's just do a couple more. Basically, we're dividing 4 divided by 2. Well, we have 2 groups, 4 counters all together. In 2 groups, how many are in each group?
2.
So 4 divided by 2 equals? 4 divided by 2 equals? 4 divided by 2 equals?
4. No, 2. What?
You guys, tell her the answer. We all know this. 4 divided by 2.
2.
Woohoo!
I said that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
4 divided by
I said
2
it the third time.
equals 2. It also wants us to write a related multiplication fact. So that means it needs to be a multiplication fact in the same fact family as 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So what would be a multiplication fact that we could write? Looking at these groups, how many groups do we have?
2.
How many are in each group?
2.
So we could write a multiplication sentence that says
2 times 2 equals 4.
woohoo! Okay, let's do this one. 10 divided by 2. Okay, so there's 10 stars all together. They're divided into 2 groups. So in each group, there are how many stars, Katie?
5.
5 stars, Katie. So what would be a related multiplication fact that would be in the same fact family? What does this picture show? How many groups? How many in each group?
5 times 2 equals 10.
Or you could say 2 times
5
equals
10.
and we call that the commutative property of multiplication. Katie knows that because she is a math whiz. Right?
No.
Katie, just say hi, 3rd grade. I love you.
Hi, 3rd grade. I love you.
I love you too. Bye-bye.